Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic: countries that offer incentives for people to live there. These countries provide various benefits, such as cash grants and tax breaks, to attract new residents, boost their economies, revitalize communities, and attract skilled workers. So, if you're considering a fresh start with some financial perks, let's take a closer look at these countries. Number 10. Ireland. Ireland, famous for its beautiful landscapes and lively culture, provides financial incentives to those willing to move to its rural areas. The Our Living Islands program encourages people to relocate to remote islands with grants of up to €84,000 for building or renovating homes. These islands, including Erinmore and Innismeen, are dealing with depopulation and are seeking new residents to breathe new life into their communities. The grants cover housing costs and aim to make relocation more appealing, enabling families to enjoy the scenic beauty and peaceful lifestyle of these Irish islands. Number 9. Spain. Spain, particularly the region of Galicia, offers up to €3,000 to families who move to rural villages with fewer than 5,000 residents. This initiative is part of Spain's broader strategy to address the declining population in rural areas. Additionally, the Spanish government provides grants and tax incentives for those who start businesses in these villages. Regions like Ponda and Asturias and Rubia in Galicia are examples of places where these incentives are available. The goal is to stimulate local economies by promoting entrepreneurship and attracting young families to settle down and contribute to community life. Number 8. Greece. Greece has several islands offering incentives to new residents. For example, Antikythera provides a monthly stipend of €500 for the first 3 years to families who move there. This island, known for its pristine beaches and historical significance, aims to increase its declining population. This initiative is part of a broader effort by the Greek government to promote sustainable living and tourism on its lesser-known islands. With stunning views, rich history, and a peaceful lifestyle, Greece presents a unique opportunity for those looking for a serene and culturally enriching place to call home. Number 7. Italy. Italy has several towns offering incentives for people to move in. One example is Sambuca in Sicily, which sells homes for just €1 on the condition that buyers invest a minimum of €15,000 in renovations within 3 years. Another example is Molise, which offers a monthly stipend of €700 for 3 years to new residents who start a business in the region. This initiative aims to revitalize small towns facing depopulation by attracting new residents to restore historic properties and stimulate local economies. The Italian government supports these efforts to preserve the country's cultural heritage and promote sustainable living. Number 6. Switzerland. Albaden, a picturesque village in Switzerland, offers up to CHF 25,000 per adult and CHF 10,000 per child to families willing to move there and buy or renovate a home worth at least CHF 200,000. Albaden, located in the canton of Valladolid, is known for its stunning mountain views and high quality of life. The village aims to attract younger residents to counteract its aging population. The financial incentives are part of a broader strategy to maintain vibrant, sustainable communities in Switzerland's beautiful but less populated areas. Number 5. Japan. Japan has numerous rural areas offering incentives to attract new residents. The town of Okutama, for instance, offers abandoned homes for free or at very low cost to new residents willing to renovate and live in them. Additionally, the Japanese government provides financial support, including grants and subsidies, for families and individuals willing to move to and work in these rural regions. Programs like these aim to address the severe population decline in rural Japan and balance the urban-rural population distribution. Japan offers a unique blend of traditional and modern living, making it an attractive option for those seeking a new start. Number 4. Portugal. Portugal's interior regions offer a program called Come to Portugal, Live in the Interior, which provides up to €4,800 to help new residents settle in rural areas. These incentives are part of a broader effort to revitalize Portugal's less populated regions. Additional support is available for business startups, including grants and tax breaks aimed at encouraging economic development and creating job opportunities. Regions like Alentejo and Centro are examples of areas where these incentives are active. Portugal's stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm climate make it an appealing destination for relocation. Number 3. New Zealand. New Zealand's Welcoming Communities initiative offers various incentives to attract immigrants to its regions. In places like the South Island, the program provides support with relocation costs, job placement assistance, and financial incentives. The program aims to attract skilled workers and young families to smaller towns and rural areas, helping to boost local economies and diversify communities. New Zealand's breathtaking natural beauty, outdoor lifestyle, and strong sense of community make it an attractive option for those looking to start anew. Number 2. Canada. Canada's Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Program aims to attract immigrants to smaller communities by offering a range of incentives, including employment support and settlement services. Communities like Morden and Manitoba offer financial incentives, including assistance with relocation costs and access to local employment opportunities. Canada's program focuses on addressing labor shortages and boosting population growth in rural and northern regions. Known for its high quality of life, diverse culture, and welcoming attitude, Canada provides a supportive environment for newcomers. Number 1. CHILD. CHILD's CHILD program offers entrepreneurs a $45,000 equity-free grant to move to Santiago and develop their startups. This initiative is part of CHILD's effort to become a global innovation hub, attracting talent from around the world to boost its entrepreneurial ecosystem. Participants also receive a one-year visa, office space, and access to a vast network of mentors and investors. The program aims to foster innovation, create jobs, and stimulate economic growth. With its dynamic economy, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, CHILD is an exciting destination for entrepreneurs looking to make an impact. And there you have it, 10 countries that will pay you to live there. These incentives offer unique opportunities for those looking to start anew, whether it's for business, a change of scenery, or the chance to live in a beautiful and culturally rich location. If you found this information intriguing, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content from Nexus Nerds. Until next time, stay curious and adventurous.